Hi, this is Isla, an AI receptionist from Bloom Nest Doula Services. How can I help you today?
Hi, I was just a little bit confused. I have some questions. What exactly is the difference between a doula and a midwife? And like, when should I hire them?
Great question. A doula provides emotional, physical, and informational support during pregnancy, childbirth, and postpartum. They focus on comfort measures and advocacy, but don't perform medical tasks. A midwife is a healthcare professional who can deliver babies and provide prenatal care. As for when to hire them, it's best to start looking for a doula early in your pregnancy so you have time to find someone you're comfortable with. Midwives are typically involved from the beginning of prenatal care. Would you like more information or perhaps set an appointment with our team?
So what's actually included in a doula package? And do you offer payment plans for that?
Our doula package includes support during pregnancy, childbirth, and postpartum. This covers birth planning sessions, partner coaching, and nighttime newborn care. We also offer emotional and informational support throughout the process. As for payment plans, yes, we do offer flexible payment options to make it easier for you. Would you like to know more about setting up an appointment with us?
I'm due near the beginning of February. What availability do you have near then for a doula?
Let me check our availability for early February. One moment, please. It looks like we don't have specific availability listed for early February at the moment. However, I can help you set up a consultation to discuss your needs and secure a spot. Would you like to schedule an appointment with our team? It looks like we don't have specific slots. Great.
I'll schedule an appointment.
Perfect. How about we look at some available slots for you? What works better for you? Tuesday, Thursday, or Friday?
On Friday.
Awesome. On Friday, we have slots at 9:30 a.m., 11:30 a.m., and 1:30 p.m. Which one works best for you?
Afternoon is best, so let's do the 1:30.
Great choice. I'll book your appointment for Friday at 1:30 p.m. Could you please provide your email address so we can send you the confirmation details?
It's going to be Alex, ALIX, @GEMO.com.
Thank you, Alex. Just to confirm, your email is alex@gmo.com. I booked your appointment for Friday at 1:30 p.m. Would you like to schedule a call with an AI automation expert to learn how our services can benefit your business?
Nope, that's it. Thank you so much.
All right, it was great chatting with you. If you have any more questions or need assistance in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a wonderful day ahead. Goodbye.